Okay, I'm going to do a little video to show you how to take your Bowers and Wilkins Z2 speaker apart. It was more complicated than I thought. So the first thing you need to do is flip it over upside down. So once you have it upside down, you're going to take this gasket off. And this gasket is going to uncover a whole bunch of screws, which will help you take the front screen off. Now, I've already gone ahead and done a bunch of this and decided that this was way more complicated and put it back together so I could do a video. So then you're going to slide the screen off, and I wish it was as easy as that. It was a little tight. Be careful, there's a little sensor right over here, I believe. Yep, right there. That, I don't know if I broke off or it came loose. It looks like it's some sort of fiber optic sensor that's going to go back in there. Well, it's not going to go back in this one, but anyway. So then you can flip it over and you can see the speakers. So once you have the screen off, there are 3 screws here and 3 screws on this side that you have to take out before it'll split open. That there's 4 holes that are plugged with little plastic discs. You're going to have to pry those up, and there's 4 screws in there before you can flip it over and open the case. And then the back splits open from the front like so. Now there's a lot of wires in here. That there's a wire on this side where the speaker connects to the circuit board, and then there's a wire on this side, and there's 3 or 4 wires you can see right here. There's a little flat lead that goes across from the circuit board to the speakers. So when you get it apart, this is what it'll look like. There's 2 speakers. Here's those cords I'm talking about that you need to unplug. There's one over on this side. And that's pretty much it. On this side, that's where the electronics are. There's the Wi-Fi board and the connectors where you're going to have plug stuff back in. So the reason I took mine apart is because when I was pushing in here to reset the Wi-Fi so I could hook it up to my new Wi-Fi, it would not reset. Apparently the button was broke, and I think it's way back in there is where that button is. And I was going to try to fix it on my own, and I've decided I'm not going to. So that's it. This is all the screws I got. Oh, you know what? I forgot something really important. In order to split this in half, there are 4 screws on the front. They're covered with these little plugs, but you got to get those 4 screws out first before you can split the case in half. Okay, well, good luck with fixing your speaker.